that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been given the highest Brazilian honor. Grand Collar of National Order has been given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Modi has been honored for his global contributions. Brazil hails bilateral ties with India. Prime Minister Modi has been conferred with Brazil's highest civilian award, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross. Honor was presented by Brazilian President. This is a recognition of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's notable contributions to strengthening bilateral relations and enhancing India-Brazil cooperation across key platforms. Visuals that you are seeing on your screens coming in from Brazil. The highest honor has now been given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
हमारे गर्मजोशी भरे स्वागत के लिए मैं राष्ट्रपति लुला का, मेरे मित्र का हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। अमेजन की प्राकृतिक सुंदरता और आपकी आत्मीयता दोनों ने हमें मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया है। आज राष्ट्रपति जी द्वारा मुझे ब्राजील के सर्वोच्च राष्ट्रीय सम्मान से विभूषित किया जाना मेरे लिए ही नहीं बल्कि 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों के लिए भी अत्यंत गर्व और भावुकता का पल है। मैं इसके लिए उनका, ब्राजील सरकार और ब्राजील के लोगों का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a very tough message against terrorism. Prime Minister Modi said zero tolerance for terrorism, must not accept the double standards which one sees while dealing with terrorism globally. Strongly oppose terrorism and the backers of terrorism. This is a strong message coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Over the past few days, we have seen on various platforms Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaking about how there are double standards when the globe is dealing with terrorism. That is something which should not happen. A tough message also being given out by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for terrorism and those who back terrorism.
आज जब विश्व तनाव और अनिश्चितता के दौर से गुजर रहा है, मेरे मित्र ने बड़े विस्तार से बताया है, मैं इसको रिपीट नहीं कर रहा हूं। भारत ब्राजील की यह साझेदारी स्थिरता और संतुलन का एक अहम स्तंभ है। हम एकमत है कि सभी विवादों का समाधान डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी के माध्यम से होना चाहिए। आतंकवाद के खिलाफ लड़ाई पर हमारी सोच समान है। जीरो टॉलरेंस एंड जीरो डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स। हमारा स्पष्ट मत है कि आतंकवाद पर दोहरे मापदंडों का कोई स्थान नहीं है। हम आतंकवाद और आतंकवाद के समर्थकों का कठोर विरोध करते हैं।
But there was a veiled reference by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a reference to Pakistan and its all-weather ally China. Our thinking that we need to fight against terrorism is aligned. There is zero tolerance, zero double standards. Prime Minister Modi said this during a joint statement with the Brazilian president. Both the nations strongly opposed terrorism and those who back terrorism, those who support terrorism. Prime Minister also said, without taking any names, in the past, India has described Pakistan as the global epicenter of terrorism. There is no place for double standards. In fact, Prime Minister Modi in the joint statement also thanked President Lula for the solidarity that Brazil showed with India after the Pahalgam terror attack. Defence and security was also one of the key issues that were discussed during the bilateral meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Lula. Prime Minister Modi has used the global platform to once again speak about terrorism, how India has been suffering from terrorism over the past many decades, and how the world now needs to come together and there should be no double standards while dealing with terrorism and those who back terrorism.